Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the ship names in fleet mode on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the left side on the screen, and in the display options section you can find the third option, the ship names in fleet mode, and just click to the white star icon, and new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.